All right, so we're going to take a look at this case for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. So let's go ahead and take it out of the box, put it on the phone, and see how it looks. So the nice thing about this case is that it's an entire set. So you get the case itself, you're getting some screen protectors as well as camera lens protectors, and you're getting this magnetic ring, which you can use for like wireless charging and MagSafe compatibility. So you're getting the whole bundle all together in one purchase. All right, so first let's install our magnetic ring. And it's really nice and convenient because they have a nice little template there that you can use to make sure you line everything up perfectly. So first let's remove the film from the back of the case. And then we have a protective layer that we want to remove to expose the adhesive. And then we're just going to take it and line it up with that circle as best possible. So now that we've done that, we can go ahead and remove this paper from the inside of the case. So there we have the case ready for the phone to be installed. But first, let's install our screen protector on the phone. All right, so you have some wet wipes, a microfiber cloth, as well as these stickies, which you can use to remove any lint or debris from the screen before you install the screen protector. So first we want to grab one of the wet wipes and use that to clean the screen. Then you want to grab the microfiber cloth and dry the screen. And then we can grab these dust absorbers, like I said, to remove any leftover lint or debris. And then we can grab our screen protector. We're going to remove the plastic film and line it up with the phone. And there you have it. So the screen protector is in place. We don't have any air bubbles or anything like that. So now let's go ahead and install the camera lens protectors. And this is going to be basically the same process. So we're going to use the wet wipe, the microfiber cloth, as well as the dust absorber, and then we'll install the lens protectors. All right, so now that we got the screen protector and the camera lens protectors in place, now we can go ahead and install the actual case. All right, so there we have it. Our phone is installed in the case. We've got our screen protector as well as our camera lens protector, and we have our magnetic ring there. So for wireless charging and MagSafe compatibility. So yeah, I mean, it looks great. As you can see, the back of the phone is see-through. So that's going to allow you to maintain the style and appearance of your phone. You have everything else in place. You have your buttons on the side. You can see power button there. Volume up and down there. Those are nice and easy to press. Then you also have your cutouts for your charging port as well as your speakers. And it's a very slim case as well, so it doesn't add a whole lot of size. Doesn't make it overly bulky or anything like that. So still very easy to handle even with just one hand. And just to show you guys really quick, this is a magnetic charger right here. So we can take the phone and stick it right in place there and it stays put. It doesn't fall off or anything like that. So you'll know with that peace of mind that the phone is properly in place and it's charging.